Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.4.3 LTH version on Kali Linux 2024. By default, MariaDB comes as the default database for the Kali Linux 2024. So I have already uninstalled MariaDB. You can uninstall MariaDB by running the command sudo apt-get purge, then MariaDB, give the star. Okay. Then you have to confirm the password. Then you have to type yes. This is the way to uninstall the MariaDB. After that, then only we can install the MySQL. Open Firefox or any web browser. Now go to mysql.com. Click on downloads. Then scroll down. Click on MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then see here we have the MySQL 8.4.3 LTS version. Select it. But if you are unable to find when you are installing, you have to click on archives. Then you will be able to find there. Then select the operating system. See, you don't have Kali Linux. Okay. So go to the terminal. /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Debian. Okay. So you can select Ubuntu or Debian. So I am selecting Ubuntu Linux. Then select the operating system 24.04. See, once you selected, it has populated all Debian packages. So instead of downloading and installing them, just download this bundle. Click on download, that is dev bundle. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 475 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the Debian bundle tar file. So control ls. Okay, so we have to untar this file, tar-xf. Then give the MySQL, give the tab and hit enter. ls. See, we have extracted all Debian packages. Control A. Now install the MySQL 8.4.3. But before installing, we have to install following packages. Hit enter. I will keep this command in the video description. Control A, L. Now install MySQL. Sudo dpkg -i star dot deb. Hit enter. See, it is installing MySQL 8.4.3. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Now we have to set the password for the root account. Hit enter, confirm the same. We have successfully installed MySQL. Let us verify the status of MySQL. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL service is not started, but it is installed. Control L. So start it. MySQL sudo systemctl start MySQL. Hit enter. It is started. Verify again. Just use the up arrow. See, MySQL server is running. Q to quit. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of the root account that we have set. See, we have installed MySQL 8.4.3. Also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL 8.4.3. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. To create database, use the command create database. Now verify again. See, new database is created. Switch to this new database, use the command use keyword and give the database. Now verify list of tables in this database. See, empty set. We don't have any tables. Let us create table and insert some data into the table. I forgot to give the column name. Now verify. Now insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these 3 rows. Now we will create a user in MySQL. Before that, verify list of users. So, users. See, we don't have any command like this. So, we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. Okay. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user, create. This is the password. Now verify again. See, new user James is created. Now exit, quit. Now connect to MySQL with the new user, MySQL. See, we have successfully connected with the new user. Let us verify the currently logged in user. See, we have connected with the user James. Okay. Now we will see exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL on Kali Linux. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is stopped. Okay. Now also try to connect MySQL while it is stopped. See, we cannot connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Hit enter. Now restart. Just replace the start with restart. Now verify. See, we have restarted 3 seconds ago. Okay. We can also connect to MySQL by using dbeaver or MySQL Workbench. You can search for my YouTube channel how to download and install dbeaver on Kali Linux 2024. Okay. So we have successfully installed MySQL 8.4.3 on Kali Linux 2024. So ls, these files are not required anymore. So delete them. rm dev ls. See, here we have one more file, that is star file. MySQL, give the tab, hit enter, ls. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.4.3 LTS version on Kali Linux 2024. For more MySQL or Kali Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.